National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chicot County in southeastern Arkansas, East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, south central Washington County in northwestern Mississippi, Issaquena County in west central Mississippi, western Sharkey County in west central Mississippi, until 130 AM CDT, until 1241 AM CDT. A severe thunderstorm was located Grove, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour. Wind gusts in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Providence, Gassoway, Millikin, and Shelburn around 12:45 AM CDT. Mayersville around 12:50 AM CDT. Carroll around 100 AM CDT. Rolling Fork and downward around 105 AM CDT. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.